Okay guys, hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking Aman. Today we are making Chinese dumplings. Okay guys, so this one is pretty simple. All we'll need is some pastry, thin pastry, and our pork mixture that we used earlier on. Pork, carrot, green onion and some seasoning. We will take a circular piece of pastry in our hands like this, and push it down, make sure that it's nice and even. And then we will take some pork, not too much, place it in the middle, like so, maybe just a tiny bit more. Okay. Once we have our dumplings formed, it's time to steam them.